Ever built an emergency fund just to watch it vanish overnight? You're not alone. Most people think it's bad luck, but there's a real psychological reason it drains so fast. In 2025, with rising costs and easy BNPL options tempting Gen Z and millennials, that fund disappears even quicker on non-emergencies. But stick around. I'll reveal the 7 hidden habits killing your safety net and how to fix them. Which one is yours? Comment below. Habit 1. Blurring emergencies with emergencies. Present bias makes us justify impulse buys as urgent needs due to loss aversion. In 2025, Gen Z uses emergency funds for vacations or shopping twice as often as older generations. Fix. Define true emergencies strictly. Medical, job loss only. What's your definition? Comment. Habit 2. Lifestyle creep. As income rises, spending does too, quietly draining reserves via scarcity mindset hangover. Post-inflation 2025, many upgrade habits without noticing, turning luxuries into needs. Fix. Automate savings increases first. Have you felt creep? Share below. Habit 3. Impulse spending triggered by emotional gaps. Dopamine hits from buys fill voids temporarily. 2025 trends show stress spending up, especially with social media deals. Fix. 30-day wait rule for non-essentials. Try it. What's your trigger? Comment. I once drained my fund on small upgrades after a raise. Thought I deserved it, but it left me vulnerable. Like many in 2025 facing inflation, those upgrades added up fast. Lesson learned. Share your story below to help others. Habit 4. BNPL traps. Feels like free money, but hidden debt cycles drain funds when payments hit. Gen Z leads BNPL growth in 2025, often regretting impulse splurges. Fix. Treat BNPL as debt. Budget first. Used it lately? Comment. But wait, the next habit is worse. Habit 5. No tracking expenses. Invisible leaks from subscriptions and small spends add up. AI budgeting tools rising in 2025, but many ignore them amid mindful spending trends. Fix. Use free trackers weekly. What's your biggest leak? Tell me. After my fund drained, a medical bill hit. Had to rebuild from scratch, teaching me strict boundaries. Common in 2025 with rising health costs. Your stories inspire. Keep commenting. Habit 6. Overly small fund. Present bias underestimates future risks. Many aim bigger in 2025 revenge-saving trend, but habits sabotage. Fix. Build 3 to 6 months gradually. How much do you have? Anonymous comment. Okay. Habit 7. No side income. Relying on one stream leaves fund vulnerable. Side gigs booming in 2025 for extra buffer. Fix. Start small gig. What's yours? But the real power is combining all. Rebuilding. I automated savings and cut creeps. Now my fund thrives despite 2025 challenges. You can too. Imagine 2025 with a growing fund, peace from automation and mindful habits. Break cycles now for freedom later. Download free emergency tracker, link below. Subscribe for more, hit bell. Recap. Fix these 7, rebuild strong. Your future self thanks you. Comment your number 1 habit to break, like subscribe.